So I'm kind of new to YouTube, and I keep seeing everybody saying shorts will make your channel like blow up and grow so much. So I figured, why not try it out for myself? So that's what I did. I started posting 3 YouTube shorts every single day, and the results were kind of amazing. So if you want to see what happened, stay tuned. Alright, here we are, back at the juicy part, the YouTube analytics. And if you'll see, I so graciously gained 192 subscribers in the last 28 days because of this challenge. I was just posting 3 shorts a day, and look how many people started subscribing. I wish it was this many, but we'll get there someday. 120K. And I got 429 watch hours. That is so many. But yeah, so that's literally the outcome. And now I have 262. And it's sometimes so hard to get the first 100, which is what I did in my last video. And then after that, look, just kept going up and up and up and up. Up and up and up and up. So let me show you how I did it. Let's go to my content. Scroll on down, down, down. Make a bit more videos per page. Head over to here. What is today? Today is the 8th. So about January 8th. Let's see. February 8th. Here we go. So if you'll see, let me go back over one more. So I've been posting for a while now. Consistently since about January 23rd or so. I've been consistently posting my niche. Because if you'll see, before I had all these different kind of videos for shorts. And they were doing okay. Like 100 views, 70 views, 8 views, 112 views. I was like, ooh, okay. 5 views. Then I got 1,666 views. I was like, oh, I'm doing something right. So I started posting more videos of me working out and dancing at the gym. So these are all different versions of me working out and dancing at the gym. This one got 1,904 views. I was like, woohoo! I felt so fancy. So I just kept doing those kind of videos with the same kind of niche. And my views just went up and up and up. Started getting more engagement. Got 3 comments here, 4 comments here. Some people making fun of me, but it's all good. It's part of the journey. And they just started going up and up and up and up and up. And so that's currently my current niche is my dancing and workout videos. So I do a variety of different dances. I do some freestyle. I do some with jump ropes. I have 4 different type of jump ropes that I use. So I'm very well versed in using jump ropes and dancing, as you can probably see. But if you'll see, my full-length videos haven't gained much traction yet. So that's why it's so important that you use these. That's why it's so important that you use these shorts, because these are what are really going to help your channel grow. And eventually people will start checking out my long videos, which I can't wait for that, because there's so much good content in there. If you haven't seen them yet, go check them out. This is my creative self-care routine. These are all the things I like to do to help me have some great self-care that really makes me feel a lot better. So yeah, definitely you gotta start. I challenge everyone here that's watching this video that made it this far. First of all, if you made it this far, go ahead and make a up emoji in the comments. That'd be so cool, because it's going up, 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 with subscribers, with views, with freaking watch hours. Everything's going up, 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 up. Literally. So I have about 262 subscribers, 192 gained in the last 28 days. I'm so proud. Literally, I more than doubled. I quadrupled. Like, I freaking gained so many subscribers compared to what I had. And it's all from posting so many shorts and, giving the audience what they want. So, you know, if you're trying to grow your channel to 120,000 views in a freaking month and grow by at least like 500%, this is like 500% more than previous 28 days. If you're trying to do that, you gotta start posting shorts, and I challenge you to post 3 a day, and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. So yeah, I dare you. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Also, can you give this video a like? Because I'm showing you my channel analytics. This is the juicy part. Not many people share this stuff, especially when they're like low in subscribers and they're just starting out. Because I mean, it's not that much, but I'm very proud of it. So I'm not nervous to share it because I know my hard work is paying off finally. So please give me a thumbs up because all this MVP treatment, you want to see all this stuff. So go ahead, give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget. And I'm going to remind you again before this video is over.
So as you can see, my channel grew like so much, like way more than it would have grown if I was just doing like long form content, because some of my long form videos were getting no views. And that's just kind of how it is when you start out. So that's why I really love that shorts is such a good new opportunity to like get way more viewers and way more subscribers. I think that this is like a really good way to grow your channel. So if you're just starting out to YouTube, or you want to put like a little jump start to your subscriber count and your channel, start making shorts. Like, even if you can manage to do 3 a day, it will really benefit you. So put in the time, put in the effort, and you can get this done just like I did. So that's all I have for you for now. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the like button down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.